Confidence and charisma, probably the two most valuable tools in business. And no movie shows that better than Tommy Boy. Yes, Tommy Boy, a comedy where Chris Farley teaches you how to sell brake pads like your company depends on it, because it does. Tommy's a mess. College took him 8 years. His dad, the guy who built the whole company, dies. And now it's all on him to save the family business by doing the one thing he's never done before: sell. So he hits the road with Richard, played by David Spade, and it's a disaster. He's awkward, he's insecure, he's getting laughed out of the rooms. Until that one scene in the diner. He's talking to a waitress, trying to get her to bring him wings after the kitchen closed. And he just clicks. He stops pitching, he stops pushing, and he just talks like a human being. Well, he talks like Tommy. Tommy want wingy. You're gonna have to put the clip in there.
Tommy want wingy.
Charisma shows up, confidence shows up, and suddenly, boom, he's closing deals. He sells with passion, with presence, not polish. So how does this apply to you and myself? We don't need to be perfect to sell. You don't need a script or a suit or a Harvard MBA. You need to believe in what you're offering. Whether that's a product, a service, or yourself, that belief shows up as confidence. And confidence, when it's real, becomes charisma. So when you're excited about what you're selling, that excitement is contagious. People want to follow people who believe in something. This is why I'm always saying, I don't just care about pretty shots, I care about the product. If I care about the product, I can direct with confidence. If I direct with confidence, I can pull that charisma out on screen. That's how you sell with video. Tommy Boy isn't just a comedy. It's a masterclass in how belief becomes charisma and charisma sells. Like this video, drop a comment, and hit subscribe. And if you want to see all of our videos ad-free, head to enjoynewmedia.com/free.